guys, we have arrived in El Nido, and as you can tell, it's absolutely beautiful. We got a 5-hour ferry. It was just over 5 hours, but I think it was potentially 6 hours. I'll show you what James can't believe. Limestone rocks, it gives us kind of crabby vibes. Just wasn't really expecting it. To be fair, I don't know what I was expecting. Just pure and utter beauty really, which so far it's so clear. So yeah. So the ferry cost us a whopping £52 each. Very on the pricier side. Could have got it for 45. We could have got it for 45, but we went on a Sunday because we already had our accommodation booked. And Sunday one is at 6 AM and not 7 AM.
Yeah, and there's only one ferry.
And there's only one ferry. So
like Monday, I think there might have been 2 or 3. But yeah, there's only one ferry on the Sunday.
So yeah, that's how much it cost us to get here.
Accommodation here, like, I was looking at the next place, Port Barton, that we're going to. And it's
a lot
just
cheaper,
so much
isn't
cheaper.
it?
Like this one.
It's definitely
like
the
Singapore
tourist
prices,
place. Singapore prices.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Nothing.
This is the crib. So we're at Taste and we got the Hello Yellow smoothie bar. So these were $3.10 each pesos. Let's go. So with this cat, there's like an upstairs and like a little bit downstairs. But it's really cute. You go downstairs to order, say your name, and they bring up the smoothie bars, which now look gross because we ate them all, which is good. So we're just getting some sugar donuts because they smell so good. Where we went, El Nido Bakery, and it cost us how much?
Like 33p.
It was 33p for 2. So that was like 20 pesos, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So it's a little bit hard, but for 15p you can't really complain. So it's 33p for 2. I thought it's for 1, but for 2. So that's amazing. So I just got a bloody bargain. This place next to this, or was it opposite, or opposite the government building? Woo, there's a fly on me. Buy one get one free. I'll show you what I got, okay? When we get back to the hotel. They had, oh god, I'm such a sweaty mess. They had so much stuff. It kind of gave me like charity shop vibes, but I got 2 pairs of shorts for less than £2. And you wait and see what design they are, okay? Because I need new.
How beautiful is that cathedral?
Oh, that's lovely. I throw my denim shorts away, so I bought some more. This is the cathedral Jameson was just talking about. So we're currently at 3 rows. Falafel and James. Because James is hungry still. See, I'm a bit peckish, but I just can't bother to eat. It's too hot.
It's amazing.
What is it? Careful, it's going to fall out this side.
Chicken shawarma, like a chicken kebab wrap.
So, excuse the aircon, but these are the shorts I got. So, for less than £2, I got Abercrombie & Fitch. This is the first pair. Cute. And then I got these. Buy one, get one free. Again, Abercrombie & Fitch. Yeah, cute. Buy one, get one free. 100 pesos, which is around just under £2. 120 should be £2. So yeah, bargain.
Found a little supermarket. Go in and check it out.
We are eating at Big Bad Thai. I got a veggie fried rice and Jameson got a tofu massaman curry. The beach is just there, but it's dark, so you can't see it. It's a bit more on the pricier side. This was $2.90 and yours was I think they're both $2.80, but like there was like a pad thai was like 6-7 quid, and I was like, I just can't. Like, that's not even me being stingy, it's just me being sensible. But yeah, bon appetit. Good morning guys.
That's it, it's so hot.
It's very loud and we are beach hopping today.
We're going to the beach. Let's go get
So
away.
we've got our trusty bike. We just had some breakfast and
glorious food, well and truly deserved. Lovely jubbly.
and we're off.
Careful, it's so.
So we parked up, free parking. just followed the sat nav here, and it's signposted. It looks like a little resort. It's quite cool. Going to the beach. Apparently this beach sets off turtles are like 5. We was going to do this beach on another beach, but obviously this we might go to the other beach first, although we're already here. No.
I made a friend at boxing club.
I made a friend at boxing who's got a thingy here.
There, Beijing. So these chairs are a little bit broken, as you can tell. That comes in that last over tip.
So we're back at the trusty bike. Rate the beach, Jameson.
Decent, as far as it goes. Pretty
There's a bug
decent.
on me. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna.
But bring your bug spray, because I got bitten by a couple of sandflies. There is signs. That's true. But the signs are no good when you forgot to bring your bug spray. So
Yeah, they have sandflies and what's it called? Nick.
Yeah.
But we're going to another beach. Or potentially, I don't really know what we're doing.
Yeah, we're going to another beach, get some food and watch the sunset, because it's supposed to be really nice to watch the sunset this place. They even do a zip line there as well, but I don't know if it can be bothered.
A little hack as
if
well.
If you watched our Mexico vlog, you would have seen we've done 2 hours worth of zip lines.
Another tip as well, if not all your helmets fit in here, there's these little hooks that you can hook them around, but also sometimes on the helmet they'll be like, it'll be plastic and it will have holes, and then you put it through the hole, and yeah.
And it's even got a little cross on it, which I really like the touch of.
Oh, he's talking about that cross. But yeah, see you at the next beach.
McDonald's. Same as we got last time, that chicken, chips, apple pie, comes out the same, no sauce.
So we're in a supermarket called Prince Hypermart, and well, their pads, I don't know.
You get to you want a trip or
I think if you buy some pads, you get a trip to the beach. I don't know. Anyways, it's meant to be a lot cheaper. James came in here earlier, and they do everything by the looks of things. So if you want SpongeBob shorts, you can have SpongeBob shorts, you know? Oh my god, James, I want these.
But it's not Filipino.
So we're at Big Bad Thai again, obviously. I've got chicken pad thai, and he got some curry. You got what?
Green curry chicken.
Huh?
Green curry chicken.
Green curry chicken.
We forgot to order spring rolls, so we got some extra spring rolls. Food. We decided to go to a different place, and there we are, in our pancakes. So that was really good. Oh. If you're ever in El Nido, oh, my eyes are going all red and stuff. If you're ever in El Nido and you want a good workout, go to that place for a bit of a boxing session, or they do Muay Thai. Really, really good. And I don't know why my eyes are so red. Sweat allergies maybe, I don't know. Go back and have a shower. get all this sweat off.
So we're on Erin today. This is our boat for today. Let's go. That is lunch. Oh. Backflip. Yeah. Oh. So there was just multiple jellyfish, but I don't know where they've gone. This is where you go through to get to the lagoon thing, and there's jellyfish. They're like pink.
Now we've stopped off at the shrine. Another day in paradise. I'm not going up the ramp. I'm going upstairs. How cool is that? Woo! This is the shrine. And then you can walk up there. I'm assuming it's a viewpoint. Yeah, it's a viewpoint. I think it's a little viewpoint up there. That'd be cool. For the view deck. Alright, watch your step. This is the view from the view deck.
So today we have gone to... Stop it. Can't eat my pizza. Gone to Altrove, and this, we both got pizzas. This is my pizza, margarita, obviously. And look, I've got a lovely little view of a little dog.
Lovely dog.
And this is... And now this is Jameson's pepperoni, and they don't have any mayonnaise. Gutted. And we've got pineapple juice for that as well, which is cool. And it's really good. You give it a shake though, otherwise it gets a bit watery. So this is the one we went. Good morning today. I'll show you the weather. So as you can see, the rain is coming down. So we was gonna go and lay on the beach because we've been in bed, even though it's like well, I've got the thing on. It's nearly 12 o'clock, which isn't actually that late. We've been out at like 1 before. Yeah.